going to show you here how to do the Cricut Smart Iron On really easily with the Cricut machine. So this is the heat transfer vinyl roll, and this is for the Cricut Explorer 3 and the Cricut Maker 3. I go ahead and opt for the 9 feet length because I like to get as much use out of these as I possibly can. Obviously, you're going to go ahead and choose your material. You are going to make sure that it is mirrored, and you're going to go ahead and get it set up into the Cricut machine. What do I love about this? My favorite thing about the Smart Vinyl is that I don't need a mat. I don't have to worry about the stickiness, trying to get it perfect on that thing. You insert it just like you would the mat, and the Cricut machine goes ahead and cuts it for you. It's an absolute perfect machine. It is such a big upgrade to the other ones of having to put the vinyl on the mat. To me, that was the biggest pain because it took up so much time that was just wasted on messing with the mats. So this is definitely a step up. If you are trying to save time and your energy, go ahead and get the Smart Iron On. I cannot recommend it enough. You simply just insert the roll, let the Cricut cut your design out, and then when you're done, you just push that little button that ejects the vinyl, and you go ahead and cut it and peel as necessary for your design. Simple, easy to use, works fabulously. It says it lasts for 50+ washes. I have used it, and I've actually noticed it can go longer.